nicer bolts for this. These are the more modern ones.
No, this is the fuse holder. It goes right there, and for most of us that own Fox bodies, this is completely brown. As you guys can see, it's not the original color. You know, it's just a little sloppily on there, but you know what? It's just some clear, crystal clear from Eastwood Paints. Just took it off, sanded it down, gave it some help, threw on our favorite rust dissolver, which is by Rust-Oleum, and then some crystal clear. Just let it sit and bake in the sun. Doesn't need to be extremely perfect, but just we don't want it to look brown. And now install it, and we can get ready to bring that frame in, so we can start running this harness through.
I see. Okay, that. Just like that. Very good. Clamp. Okay, so I see. So that'll go like this. So how would we route this? I guess this just gets routed kind of like that inside there. All right. So by the looks of it, it looks like we could put this in first.
That's what I was thinking.
And then put that in there. We got a bolt here though.
That's for the column.
The column. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, for the
so
column.
For the column. Oh, very good.
Right. So everything's on
nice.
here. Oh yeah, dude. We took it off. Like I said, not many. Nobody would take that off, and it's usually brown back there. But
brown or rusty.
We don't want that, man. Believe me, we do not want any of it. So we took the time. It's been quite a feat, but here we are. And yeah, man, I kind of want to just get it undone. You know, not the greatest looking, but I mean, hey, we reused this too, so
yeah,
whatever. All right. Oh. Yeah, well, it goes to the bulkhead.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it goes. It kind of goes off to this with right through here.
Yeah. Okay.
It's gonna come up right through here because you can see the imprint of where it hits.
Sure.
So it just goes right to the inside. So we're just gonna tuck it away like that real quick.
Cool. Now there's still that wire loom.
Right.
From
Let
the
me actually go over there to that side. I'll fish it upward. That way we can. Did you fish them up or?
I'm trying to see if there's enough room to accommodate it going up through there. That's what I wanted to see.
You gotta go over a little bit more.
To you?
Yeah, to me. Because you were on the left. Oh yeah, there you are. There you are.
Yeah. So I don't think that wire loom's gonna fit up there, bro.
So should we let it rest where it's at?
I think we should bolt this in and then let it rest. Or...
All right. Well,
yeah.
The good thing is that we got what we need on this side.
You can either let it rest, or if you wanted to.
What do you think?
Buy some rib nuts and then hold it on there. I think it'll rest, and the friction.
It'll hold it there.
Yeah, it should.
It'll tighten it up.
Yeah, once you tighten it up. I mean, it's in a decent wire loom, so.
It just ends up peeing inside the car.
Oh, you can get to it from right here.
Which one? That's the first thing I looked at. Like, no, that's good.
I'm gonna call that good.
Yeah.
Okay, that's that.
Perfect.
Now, this guy up here.
Now, would it be the same size screw for the bottom? that 8?
Man, I don't know, because you know that fancy dampening stuff you guys used? It's kind of hiding the whatever size it actually is. Oh, wait a minute. Now this way, is this the right bolt? There we go. She's snug.
Let me run into the other side. Okay. Let me howl to the other side.
Yeah, right. Okay. There. I think, right? The nut?
No.
No? Okay.
Where would it slide into? I'm thinking this guy gets
The bottom?
No, that's for the wire. That's for the. This is for the harness, dude. The harness just rides up here.
Yeah, no, I know. Right, but. So this nut here has to come out.
Let me get
And pinch it. Yeah. Remember that one I told you? Yeah, see, it goes up in there.
Which one? Because I have to come.
By the steering.
No, it's not. It's not touching it. This guy. What's holding him up over here?
I think it's actually on you a little bit.
Let me get out. Let me get out of this side.
There you go.
There we go. Now we're doing something right.
Yeah.
Oh, let me get this area out of the way. And I think you have that pin or that screwdriver we had. This guy right up here in the corner.
We put it into that wagon, the Le Mans wagon, and they essentially would make a GTO wagon.
Wow.
That to me is like badass. Turbo. Man, that car was gorgeous, and I'm thinking to myself, like, oops, I'm thinking to myself, like, why would you build such a nice car?
Like that. That's how that goes. And then that guy comes back this way, like this,
Gotcha.
and it goes into the control, so you can go from hot to cold. I mean, to you know, like you control the hot to cold. Controls the door. So like that.
So it has to go back up in here and then up.
Yeah, it races back this way.
Gotcha.
Let it flip up.
Yeah, that's right. There it is. Okay, now, okay, that makes sense though.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. And then this yellow one comes to this side. Yeah, that guy. This guy. This
Right around there.
comes up this way. Put our buddy here. On the,
Radio's right up here, bro.
where's the HVAC controller underneath it? On the.
Oh, you know what? It's the other way around. This is the HVAC. The radio's down here. Yeah, that's right.
And that goes.
You know,
on the bottom
have you
half.
seen how people do? There's a guy on Facebook, I think, that sells a custom plate that reverses these,
Oh, really?
so that the radio's up here and the HVAC's down here in the controls.
Go ahead and get this guy pushed in there, because as you guys know, we got a hydro booster coming in here, and this guy bolts up to the hydro booster as well. So I'm gonna set this up before we bring the column in. Actually, I'm not gonna set it up before I bring the column in, because I have to set the wires in first before I bring the column in. So we're gonna put this to the side now. We're gonna call this a day, guys. What you just basically saw, we fitted in our we fit our dashboard in. We painted this already, so we got it put in here. We put our HVAC box in here. We were waiting for a grommet and the HVAC nuts to get in. We got that all set up. That's not moving anymore. We've already set up our Coyote performance package wiring set up. It's already done and it's ran. We have our pedal in, but again, this will be worked with because it kind of comes over and it blocks a little bit of the steering column shaft where it may go. So we're going to attach that. We're going to go ahead and tack that. It's just loose for right now, so we'll go ahead and we'll put it back on there securely when we get the column back in there. So we basically just ran, we got all our wiring set up. We cleaned up our fuse holder plate right here. And what we did, we set up our dashboard so we know exactly where we're gonna run this whole wiring system. We're waiting for Loom to get in as well too. So this is just a little loosely fit in here, nothing big, but just to kind of give you an idea of what's going on here. It's quite a process when it comes down to the wiring. So, what did we learn today? Buy an already built Fox body swap Coyote. You know, guys, I want to thank everybody on Facebook. I want to thank everybody on Instagram, and especially here on YouTube. Guys, leave us a comment, drop us a like, let me know what I did wrong. Thank you to Eddie over there, man, for helping me give me a hand here. And we'll see you guys when we start to finish this thing up. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.
We don't make them like this anymore. We all want to be safe.
Yeah.